Hey everybody, how you doing? So I've been away from YouTube for a while and Facebook videos for a while, and some of you know that I've got some pretty severe arthritis, so I'm having some trouble, especially now we're getting into winter. We weren't able to go to the Bahamas late this year, went in January. That's where I found that my pain is almost non-existent. Anyway, so I'm participating in a couple of studies and I'm trying some different things. This particular thing, I was hoping to do this live, the study live with you guys, because I know that a lot of you've sent me emails over the past few years, but what do you do when you've got pain? You're not sleeping, you're doing this, you're doing that, and how I handle it right now, not very well, not very well. So I thought maybe I would share it with you, but I don't want to share it with, if you don't want to hear about this, then that's fine. So maybe just comment below if you're interested in this particular study. And this particular study, it's a sleep study, but what I realized is that the actual product that I'm trying is an anti-inflammatory, which, yeah, unless I get this pain under control, I won't be doing any art, but I'm trying. Hoping to do something on Monday, which is geared towards more towards kids. So, so this product is called My Vital C, and it's based on olive oil, and there's a component in it, ESS 60. So I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, the light's bright. There we go. Oh, it's that. Um, you only take a teaspoon per day, and yeah, so it says better sleep, lifespan, increased energy, increased libido, lucky Joe, eye health, joint health, cardiovascular health, recovery from exercise, and mental acuity. So, you know what? I'm at the point now, I'm 55, 55, I think. I need help. I need help. And I know that a lot of you guys need help. And, it's great when we can share information. But I was thinking about doing this actually live every day. So let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see this information. And if it gets to where the majority of you aren't interested in this information, my progression, then I'll just do it privately with you guys. But I am going to share the last day results on YouTube regardless. So it comes in a bottle like this, and when I opened it up, I was expecting a real medicine-y smell. It's olive oil. It smells just like olive oil. Now, I don't know, but I only cook with olive oil, but this has got that extra component in it, and it's organic extra virgin olive oil, contains 100% pure ESS 60. So I was thinking, if I cook with olive oil, it shouldn't be too bad. It tastes like olive oil, and you only need a teaspoon. So, yeah, so I'm going to be totally transparent. I'm going to take this. It's brown, so it doesn't look very appetizing, but, oh. You ever take medicine, you have to hold your nose? It tastes just like olive oil. There's a bit of a tickle in my throat. It's like a pepper. I love pepper. But yeah, that's interesting. And they say you can drink, if you get the little peppery feel in the back, you can drink like water or whatever. What I'm not thrilled was that so much of the product gets stuck in the cup. So I think what I may do is just double check. I'll rinse this and I'll measure 5 mils of water, put it into the teaspoon that I have to make sure that it's a perfect measurement. I'll just use that because there's a lot of product getting stuck in there. Anyways, okay, dose number 1. So we'll see. So basically, the study that I'm doing is I had to record 10 days daily of before this, and then I have to be 10 days on this, 10 days off, and then 10 days on. So although it's a sleep study, I'm more thinking that for the anti-inflammatory and all that stuff, if it handles that, because it's joint health, and the cardiovascular health, because I guess I take stuff from my heart. I now have a cholesterol problem, which I don't understand why, but I take stuff for my cholesterol. It takes stuff for my blood pressure, and it takes stuff to control sugar. Not diabetic yet, but hopefully. I don't understand that because I don't eat anything with sugar. So anyways, so I'm thinking that if it can reduce the arthritis pain, that I'll naturally sleep better, hopefully. So we'll see. Anyways, the taste is gone now, so it's actually pretty good. There's paperwork that comes with it. Antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, 172 times more powerful than vitamin C, which is nice because I can't drink orange juice because of the sugar. So that'll help with that. And it's made in the U.S. But yeah, so anyway, so that's it. I just wanted to, because hopefully if this goes well, hopefully then when I share my results on the very last day, that if there's anybody, any of you could use some of the help, then I'll just post the link. There's no affiliates or anything. There's no commissions, by clicking on a link. It's My Vital C, myvitalc.com, and I'll post it in the description in the video if you just want information to go there. And they've got the testimonials, and the one thing that, so I'm going to read this to you because if it hits home with somebody, then you may want to just get some information. Within a month, I noticed how the product was improving my breathing, especially at night when I would suffer from seasonal allergies. It seemed to control my asthma as I don't wake up wheezing anymore. Well, now that chaos is gone, I don't have as many allergy problems. I still have the dust, and we're getting into winter now, so the furnace is on. And then the other one, I've tried different products, but I like this one a lot. My hair is growing a little faster. I feel pretty good for 66 years old. I am getting thinning hair. Maybe it's menopause. I don't know. And then the other one is 3 months into the product. I went for my annual eye exam. The past exam has shown the beginning formation of cataract. Now it showed none. It was clear. So there's some pretty good things with what people are saying, and it's all of what it. I'm at the point I'm getting desperate. So hopefully. So everybody send me some good vibes that this works, and then I'm going to share the results with you. So again, comment below if you want to be involved with this daily study that I'm doing. And that's it. So not your typical art video, but unless I get this pain under control, where I get some proper sleep and all that stuff, yeah, I won't be doing any art. You know what it's like if you've only got 1 hour's sleep and trying to do something creative. Mind you, I could do something like Jackson Pollock, right? Anyways, that's your typical video, but I just wanted to share with you, and hopefully you can join me on this journey. Alrighty, so I'm hoping to do a video on Monday. It won't be a detailed video. It'll be more for kids. It's actually for my grandkids, and because they're expecting a video on snowmen. So I will see you on Monday, and until then, stay inspired.